All right, we got our Bissell Pro Lifter swivel pit. I guess it's gonna be either way for most vacuum cleaners. So I'm got to do mine. We're gonna see if we can do this in under 3 minutes. I had to back you up some more. All right. So get all your little hidden screws out. Be one up in here where your belt goes. The one at the bottom end. Buzz all these guys out. Once you get this off, you're gonna see your broken part most likely, which is probably gonna be the roller. I mean the belt. Let me get that out of the way. All right, we still got something connected. No, we don't. All right, so this is where it was all dusted. And see, the belt broke. It's done. There's another shard of it. There's all kind of pieces back here. I don't know what that is. A piece in there. Anyway, see that little small round roller? That's going to connect up top to this guy up there. So that slides out. Hardest part is going to be getting the small belt down here and around this roller down here. So let's see. That would be the first one I'd put on. All right, well, it wasn't so hard. We got it on there. Might get this video under 3 minutes. How about that? Maybe. All right, pull this guy out. Put your roller back. It's gonna take a little bit of stretching to get it back up there. Shit. All right, so get back up there. Get your little pieces lined up. Like that. Just check it. Yep, just goes around. Nothing's hitting. I think that's just a guard. Wow, everything or something. A little bit of everything. Like this is vacuum cleaner. It's definitely seen better days. Where we at? Well, put your screws back in, and that's gonna be it.